Hey guys, so I figured I would do a little daily vlog 2022. I'm gonna try to hop on every day and just share what's going on, do some daily vlogging, see how it goes. Let's see how long I can keep this up for. Hopefully a while, because I love chit-chatting with you guys, more than anything. So anyway, we have a lot to do today. We have to head down to the doctor. So my husband has some doctor appointments, but I'm just cooking breakfast right now. My husband, I've been making him this French toast with, I just use egg whites and the Dave's, I think it's called Dave's Super Bread or something. I'll show you, he loves it. So I figured, yeah, let me show you. It's really healthy because my husband, he has pre-diabetes, so he can't have any sugar. So I try to make everything really healthy for him. Fat-free. For myself too, I've lost a lot of weight, so now I really don't eat any fat, and I feel amazing. I eat pretty much what he eats, so we're not eating a lot of sugar, we're not eating a lot of fat, if any fat. We really don't eat any fat, but I feel so good, guys, because I used to eat tons of fat. I used to eat tons of cheese. I don't even like cheese anymore. I can't believe it, because I used to eat tubs of like here in New York, they'll have places where they make fresh mozzarella and you get like a huge tub of mozzarella cheese, and I used to eat that. I'd eat one of those a day. It was, thinking back, it was so bad, but I think that's why my face isn't as puffy anymore. I look at old videos and pictures, I was heavier, but also my face was very puffy, and it was probably from all the sodium and just whatever was in that cheese. But anyway, here's mommy. Let's show everybody. Guys, we got them on Gentle Giant. So they're eating Gentle Giant now, and they love it. Look how cute this is. It has little tulip bones and then the little hearts. And they love this. They all fight over it. Roxy fights over it. Louie and Lola fight over it. They love it. My husband set her up over here so she has a little view with her, and then she put all her dolls here. So she looks out the window and eats her food, right, Mama? And then here's the French toast. I hope I didn't burn it, because I just like chit-chatting and I'm probably burning the French toast. But here it is. Let's see, hopefully it didn't. Oh no, you guys, is it burnt? Okay, it's a little crispy. Oh shoot, it's burnt. Okay guys, I saved them. I just kind of scraped off. There was just a little bit. But let me show you this. I've been wanting to show you guys this for the longest time. These are so delicious. They're keto waffles, so they have no sugar. They're made out of just coconut flour, and they have no gluten. I feel so good since I don't eat gluten anymore, but they have only 10 carbs for 3 waffles, or 6 waffles. Oh my God, 6 waffles. Wait, what is that? Okay, 3 waffles has 10 carbs, 220 calories. These are so good. There's just nothing in them, just eggs, coconut flour, so good. And then I put a little bit of flavoring, and let me show you. I use egg whites that I just let me show you here. I just pour some of these egg whites into the bowl, and then I put in a little bit of some flavoring like this. You just put like a drop, or I use vanilla, or today I'm trying banana for the first time. And then I just put some of this fat-free cooking oil on the pan, and then so good, guys. No calories, no carbs, no fat, nothing. And then we use this sugar-free maple syrup. So good, and only 5 calories, sugar-free. So it seems pretty good. It has, sometimes these kind of things give me a stomach ache, but this doesn't give me a stomach ache, so it's really good, and my husband likes it. So here's the waffle French toast that I showed you guys. So now here they are. They're just, on the browning on this little frying pan. But this thing is so good. It just evenly distributes the heat. It makes everything come out so good. It makes a big difference. Also, I made this kind of flatbread pizza on here. It came out so good. It just comes out very crispy and just really good. It's just something about it is really good when you get this kind of pan. It's worth it. Guys, then I put a little bit of this. I put a little bit of this on top. Just, it tastes so good though, but it's like powdered sugar. So good. Say hi, guys. Here's Lily and Lola. Say hi, Lola. And Louie. You like your new bed? I got them these new beds at Home Goods, so they're loving it. Cozy. They're living the cozy life. So Roxy just got here now. She's in her bed. You like your bed, Mama? I like it. Okay, guys, they're back. They hated each other so much, so this is huge progress that this just started a few days ago. They were all laying together. I'm so happy. This is, do you guys think they'll let Lola actually cuddle with them, touch them? I don't know. Hopefully that'll be so cute. Hey, Mommy. This is good enough though. This is great. This is amazing. So we're just getting ready to leave now. I'm just gonna do a quick little, makeup situation. Makeup, call it what you will. I don't know. I just gotta get myself together. So guys, I gotta tell you, I purchased this shine spray. Who knows why I keep purchasing shine sprays, because I love my other one, my Salon Alterna dry oil mist so much. But this one I don't like either. I think I don't like the aerosol mists. I'm just hooked on that dry. See, I'm gonna cough. These aerosol sprays always have me coughing, but actually, I don't know. Do you guys like it? I gotta get a brush. Let me brush it through and see if it looks better. I don't know. Okay, I gotta hurry up and get ready, you guys. So let's see here. I can't think. Like, girl, think. Okay. What do I do, guys? Because I'm in a hurry now and my husband's coming. Guys, can I tell you, I've been loving this. This is the Hourglass Instant Plumping Eye Mask. I've been wearing this every day and I just love it. I think it's making a huge difference because I do have indentation under my eyes, and since I've started using this, it feels like I don't have it anymore. So it has to be from that plumping mask. So, but you have to leave it on they say leave it on 15 minutes. It doesn't say anything about washing it off. I got to investigate more. On clean dry skin, gently apply a thin layer to under eye area. Leave it on for at least 15 minutes. It doesn't say anything about washing it off. So that's the thing. So yeah, I've been leaving it on like 15 minutes. When I was in the city, when I was working, I would put it on, walk the dogs, then I would come back and get ready for the day. So it was on for 15 minutes, and then I just felt like it really truly did feel like I had gotten like under eye injections, because normally I do have the hollowing and I notice it, but what are you gonna do? But I felt like it was totally gone. So it must work. So I don't have 15 minutes though, guys, to wait. So actually the other day I didn't have 15 minutes to wait either. So what I wind up doing is I just put my kind of concealer on around it and just left it, and I think it came out good. I think it looked good. So you know what? Something is better than nothing. It's better than nothing, right? I'm gonna leave it on, because why not? I just put it under my makeup. So we'll work with what we have. But here is just some sunscreen, Super Goop sunscreen. My husband's in the shower right now, so we're getting ready to go to his appointment. But you guys are gonna hear him any minute now. Like, he's like gonna be like, we gotta go. So, because we gotta be there at a certain time. So it's not my playtime. It's not like Alegra time. It's, gotta be on other people's time for once. So, yeah, loving this. It's raining. It's not raining out today, but it's, it's overcast. So I gotta think quick though, you guys, because, if you guys, I don't know, I'm not blaming it on you guys. Because, I just feel like normally I could think, but I'm like thinking about whatever, chit-chatting, and you know what, I guess it's harder to chit-chat and put on your makeup than it looks when you're in a huge hurry. Like I am. So this is just some primer. The other day I put this on, and this is that Smashbox primer, and it was like glue on my skin. I couldn't believe it. Oil control. Maybe I put on a little bit more than I mean, it's great if you're really oily, because it was like glue on my skin. Anyway, yeah, it was not budging. Nothing was budging. But oh my god, he's coming. What's this? Okay, I gotta show you something else. I got new makeup. I gotta show you some really good new stuff. But today we're just gonna stick with the basics. So I don't even know how far I could go. But and everything's a mess, because like when you're traveling and everything is just all over the place. I still have not unpacked from when I was staying in the city for weeks upon weeks. See, now I'm just putting that color I'm putting color corrector on right now, and I'm just putting it right over that mask, because what's the worst that could happen? But I've been doing this and it seems to be working out good for me. So I'm just gonna do what I you know, normally like to do. We'll see how far we could go before he comes and starts harassing me, that saying we gotta leave. But guys, I wanted to what was I gonna tell you? I want to just tell you something really quick, guys. I met this, I don't know, I'm just chit-chatting, but I don't know, guys, what should I do? I don't know if I should tell you this. Well, I met this lady the other day, and she was telling me, oh, my daughter is an influencer or whatever, and she was like, oh, she's traveling the world and she's making millions of dollars. She's like, the only problem is that everybody pays her in cash. So she goes, so she wants to buy like an apartment or something. She goes, but she can't because all of the clients on social media, she goes, she can't buy an apartment or anything, or rent an apartment even, because she doesn't have credit, because everything on social media, this is what the lady was telling me, everything on social media is paid with cash. I was like, and she was like, but my daughter's making millions of dollars, and it's all cash though. This lady didn't know me, so she didn't know that I do social media, because I was like, I was listening, and she goes, oh, right now she's in Thailand for 2 months and it's all cash. And I was like, girl, I didn't want to tell her. I could not. She sounded so, I would never tell somebody this, but I was like, girl, I was thinking this. I was like, girl, I think your daughter is, you know, she's one of those influencers that, you know, they're going to Thailand and things like that and getting paid in cash. Is your daughter like actually, what is the word I could use that I don't get in trouble? You guys know what I'm saying? Like going for dates. Let's put it that way. She's dating people. I think what she's actually doing is one of those, because there's so many of them, right? These influencers, and they're just like, you know, they're on Instagram and whatnot for to look for dates for guys, sugar babies, let's call it that. She's actually, I was like, girl, but I would never have told this lady that, because I would feel so bad, because she was like so proud. And then she was like, but I don't even know why she was telling me this. She was like, I don't understand though why everybody has to pay her in cash. I was like, what? Because, you know, I do social media and nobody paid me ever in cash. Everybody paid. There's no way. How would people pay you in cash? How would that even happen? Because, you know, they're paying you online. So they have to pay you via PayPal or whatever, your checking account. So, and they ask you for your social security number, most people, and you have to file taxes, and it's a real job. Like I have to file taxes and things like that. You know, I just felt so bad to tell this lady. I was like, your daughter is not actually, I think she's actually like a paid sugar baby, or for lack of a better word, you know. But I would never have told her that, but I just wanted to tell you guys about that because it was so crazy. I was like, you know, I wonder how many people are telling their family that, but God bless, you know, that's, as long as they're safe, hopefully, I'm sure they're safe, and, you know. So, anyway, guys, what else was I going to tell you? I had so many things to tell you guys, but now that I'm trying to get ready, it's not working out the best. But I just put this on. This is the Estee Lauder foundation that is SPF 45. Love that. So I got so many new products to show you guys that I tried the other day. Amazing. Like this Patrick setting powder. I mean, not Patrick Star one size setting powder. I tried that the other day. So this is it right now. It's supposedly a blurring powder. This is no, I don't have any lighting on or anything. I'm just on my iPhone. But gorgeous. If I had the lighting, I think you could see better. But anyway, yeah. Maybe you could see. I don't think you could see. I don't think so. I don't think so, guys. What else do I need? Okay, I always love my brows. This is what I usually do. I usually don't even, well, I'm putting on foundation now because it has that SPF 45. Truth be told, though, I do put foundation. I'm like, girl, no, you put foundation on. I do put foundation on every day. Once I got into it, I was hooked. So as you can see, I still don't have nails on because I was working so much, and you know, I was working on the computer so much that the nails, they just came flying off, and I didn't have time to put a fresh pair back on. You know, I just used the glue nails, kiss nails, whatever. So, oh, I hear my husband walking around. He's coming, you guys. He's coming. He's coming. He'll be here in a minute calling me. Okay, and we gotta go. So I'll be back though to come see what you guys are up to. But this is pretty much, you know, and a lip, my setting spray and a lip, and you know, that's really all I will do, although I'm obsessed with that brow product from Too Faced. So I'm gonna put that on because the brows don't budge, especially it's so hot here, and it's pretty humid because I live on the water. So wait a second. Oh, here it is. I love this. At first I put it on before the pencil, but now I put it on after the pencil because it is so powerful that sometimes it's like the pencil can't even get through. So with other glue type products in the past, I would put it on first, but this is very powerful, you guys. So I use it after now. Let's put it that way. So, okay, let me see. He's not calling me yet. So I'll put on a quick lip. But yeah, we're gonna go to, I love going to this doctor appointment that we go to for him. You know, I'm not saying I love going to the, you know, everything's good though. We've been always getting good, positive feedback from the doctor. We always receive good news, thank God. So it's just for a checkup today. So you gotta go for your checkups so you stay healthy, you know. So that's what we're doing. And I have to go for my own checkup soon that I was like so scared to go for, but it's so important. So just put on a quick lippy. I don't hear him calling me, guys. So that means I can do some mascara. Oh, let me do setting spray so I don't forget. And yeah, that makes a huge difference, setting spray. Especially my setting spray. Oh, okay, so I'm gonna put on, no, not now, but someday soon. Hopefully I'll get back into my nails, maybe tonight. But I want to put on mascara because I love mascara. Since I have the Thrive mascara that I love. So now that I have that mascara, I love using it. It makes such a huge difference. But then I used another mascara the other day that I was loving. Guys, he's calling me. I gotta go. So guys, we just got to the doctor. My husband went in, and I'm gonna stay here and wait with Roxy. But I just wanted to really quickly show you, beauties, this powder. I showed you this the other day. I unboxed it in my New York City haul, but I didn't realize how amazing this is. This is not like Charlotte Tilbury. The other day I said it was like Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Finish powder. It's not. It's like nothing I've ever tried before. It gives so much coverage, but it makes your skin look absolutely flawless, especially if you have oily skin. Oh my gosh, it totally takes down the shine, takes down any oily, you know. And I was very greasy recently. It was super humid where I live, and this totally gives so much coverage. This is better than anything. This is, well, it's $18, so it's drugstore, but you know, I guess compared to Sephora, some of those powders are $40, but this is drugstore better than high-end. This is phenomenal. I can't believe how smooth and poreless it makes my skin look. But anyway, guys, I'm just, let's see here. I've been wearing, you guys see me wearing this top every day. I'm obsessed with it. It's just from Red Dress. And I just have my Lululemon leggings and this bag looks like a mess, right? But this is a Chanel reissue. Roxy wants it. But anyway, guys, I'll let you guys go. I'll run for today. I gotta, you know, I'll just leave it for today. Hopefully, I'm planning to just keep vlogging every day, guys, and just hop on, let you know how things are going, what's going on. My husband just told me we're probably going to be going to the Dominican Republic soon. But anyway, guys, I'll let you guys run, and I'll let you guys go. And I'm gonna just try to keep popping on, like I said, because I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to be in the beauty space now that we're traveling so much and doing so much work. But it's okay, guys. I have a bunch of stuff that I'll be popping in with. So anyway, guys, I'll let you run. I keep saying I'll let you run. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. Love you. Bye.